What's up, everybody? I got new truck parts and let's go. So this is a new intake we got, the S&B air filter, cold air intake. It's freaking huge. I don't know if you can tell, but that's like a giant, maybe 8 inches wide. But I'm gonna get everything set up. The first step, you wanna undo all the batteries, that one and that one. That's what she looks like. Goes down there, hooks up to the turbo. The only pain I had was this bolt broke off. Tightened it too much. Other than that, it went pretty smooth. Big filter right there. Yeah, it's basically just unscrew a bunch of bolts and then put this in. This is kind of a pain to get this to fit right. Alright, so I'm not used to talking in front of a bunch of people to a camera. It's kind of weird. So yeah, out there's people working on their trucks. So I kind of felt weird, so I'm getting in my truck. But anyways, it wasn't too bad of a process. Basically unbolt a few things. Putting the screw onto the mass airflow sensor kind of was a pain because I broke off the bolt. I think it was just a weak bolt. I was tightening it down and then the head broke off. So there's only one bolt holding it on, but it's pretty secure in there. So I think later this week I'll probably try to take it out, but right now it's fine. But the truck runs great. Haven't really seen too much of a difference in the power. It's a lot smoother, just because I think the other filter was kind of going kind of dirty. Every time I get on it like full throttle, it'd say service air filter. And I think this definitely helped it. It was kind of starving for air with the new tune and the delete, just everything needed more air. Yeah, so I was gonna do a process of like how to take it off, how to put the new one back on, but the camera was being a pain in the butt and I couldn't figure out how to stick it to the hood to kind of show you guys, and I just wanted to get it on as soon as possible because it was getting dark. So yeah, it definitely. Alright, so this is what I took off. Picture this is in the truck. This hooks up to the turbo and then it goes up the air box. It pulls the air here, it's falling apart. It pulls the air through the fender well through here. There's the air filter. So when you take it off, basically unbolt this bolt and then you undo that. There's this little clamp right there, push it up, take that off, take off the airflow sensor, and then another sensor right there. I don't know what that is. This is what the air box used to look like. Just a huge air filter. It's pretty thick. So that's how thick it is, how big it is. The new air filter is huge too. It's about a little bit, probably is that wide, but it's a cone, so a lot more air flowing. Yeah. lost change, 82,000 miles, so had about 10,000 miles on that. And then so it goes from the air box to the little deal, and that goes into this. And this is a huge restrictor. I think this is a turbo, I don't know, it's supposed to make it a little bit quieter. So it's got foam in there, and then it kind of directs the airflow through there. I know some people just take this out and let it be, but I just got a whole new one. And then this is where the hooks up to the turbo. And then I'm not really sure what this is, but I had to put another one on the new air filter. So yeah, it's a pretty simple process. This was a block on the end, on the bottom, so the new air filter has a block up here, or a cutout, and then it has a cutout on the bottom. And for more airflow, you can leave this out, or you can put this in so it doesn't get as much heat in there. But I left it out so it got more airflow. But yeah, pretty good little kit. Here's the instructions. Here's kind of what it looks like all put together. The air filter looks a lot bigger in person than it does in this picture, so it's huge. So yeah, that's about it, and the whole kit costs about $300. I'll leave a link to it in the description. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. So good to get this taken off. Big restrictor. Next setup is next mod is exhaust, so see you then.